Duck poo.
Duck poo?
A rare bird species. Oh. Let's get it! Oh. Because birds have super hearing. They can hear very good, I think. Or that's dogs. Boy, it feels fresh in here.
Isn't it cold? Huh? Isn't it cold?
What are you doing?
Imaginary camera.
Okay, what fish are we gonna catch?
Your head looks so round.
Whatever.
Wait, don't do
Fish
that.
we can.
What can I see? Your head is so round.
Salmon?
Crappie.
Crappie?
Yeah, it is something.
What's crappie?
Yeah, it's like
Crappie.
Crappie? What's crappie?
Means it's bad.
No.
Oh,
That's the name of the fish.
oh, I thought it was poo. I thought it was poo.
So does crappie catch that?
I wonder if like there's any big fish.
He can eat that?
I wonder if there are any big fish.
That look, for some reason that look like doesn't that look like a frog? Like a big frog?
That rock?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
It looks like a big frog when you first look at it.
What is it?
A frog wouldn't be that big,
Hold on, let me
I guess.
Then you guys can practice.
No, I think there was a park around. Oh wait, there it is. It's just right there on that side. Me and Grandpa used to walk there.
All the way over there? No. Over there. The ducky went off swimming.
Okay, Alicia, if you would have anything, what would it be? A claw hands or a third eye?
Hey, there's a bird in the water.
But which one, Alicia?
What would the third eye do?
Nothing.
So what's the point of having it? Claws.
But the claws aren't super strength either.
Well, I can still cut through stuff. Like boxes.
Okay.
What happened to the other one? We can get with Taco Bell. No, Taco Bell. How much money you got anyways?
I think like $40, I think.
You didn't spend the rest of your money?
No, just half of it for the game.
Oh. So yeah, you could probably get like a taco.
Or we can go to Arby's.
I don't like Arby's. Arby's? Bro, their sandwiches are nasty.
I know, but they have some sweet good stuff.
Their fries are good though.
Yeah, very good. Oh, okay, which
What if
fries?
I recorded you, huh? Round head. Everything.
Which French fries do you like? McDonald's or Arby's or Chick-fil-A?
I never had Chick-fil-A, so I'll go with Arby's.
Why? Wait, what are you doing, Josiah?
Just be careful. Don't fall.
Yeah, Josiah. This water is kind of nasty. Hey, Licio. If you want... Licio, if you want to take a bath, what would you rather do? Go find it in a puddle or trying to do that?
Puddle.
Why?
What the? Because I don't want to go in that nasty water.
You know, there's a library right there too. It's like a DVD rentals.
Yeah.
You can't actually see it, but it's far.
Ooh, I'm gonna look closer. Oh, there's ducks. Look at the ducks, guys. Or whatever they are. Goose? Ducks? Geese?
Ducks.
I don't know my ducks. Huh? Yeah, I have to get these. Goose. Goose.
Those are ducks.